Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Windows Update files. So all you have to do is just open up a file explorer on your Windows PC and you want to go down to where it says this PC. Or you can click on the local C drive. This is where your Windows is installed. Now, once you're under the local C drive, go ahead and click on the Windows folder and open that. And you want to scroll down and look for a folder by the name of software distribution. So let me scroll down and find that. So this is what it looks like, a uppercase S and an uppercase D all together. So you want to go ahead and open up this folder. Now from here, open up the download folder and all the files within this folder here are the Windows Update files. So you can simply highlight all of those files, or if it's a lot of files, you can click in one and then press Ctrl A on your keyboard and then go ahead and click the recycle bin from here, or you can simply hit the delete key on your keyboard. Now you will receive a pop-up. All you need to do is just simply click and continue to delete all of those files in this folder. Right, you can select this button here that says do this for all current files. You can select that as well, and so it will delete all of those files in the folder. Now, so the next thing you want to do is to open up your recycle bin, and from here all of those Windows Update files will be there, and you can simply go ahead and click an empty recycle bin. Once you receive this pop-up, simply click on yes, and the recycle bin will be emptied, and that's how you will easily go ahead and delete all of those Windows Update files from your computer. Now you may be wondering, why do I need to delete those Windows Update files? This is going to actually help you to free up space on your Windows PC and help to boost performance. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.